All right, traders, good morning. Good morning to everyone. Let me know if you can hear me loud and clear in the comment. Can you guys hear me? Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Can you hear me, please? Okay, I'm also checking my phone to make sure everything is clear. Hope you can see me clearly too. Okay. Let's go to the charts straight up. So if you've traded this week, just say yes in the comments. If you've traded this week, say yes in the comment. If you've traded this week, say yes in the comment. Okay, because me, I didn't trade yesterday. I didn't see any setup for myself. The GJ we were waiting for left us. So we're going to look for another today. All right, so you're welcome. If you're joining for the first time, this is Happiness Hanson here, a seasoned forex trader with 4 years plus experience in the market. So what I do here literally is to teach you how I trade. We'll get to trade every day. Not every day, sorry. We get to trade every Tuesday here on YouTube, 9 a.m. West African timing. So if you're joining for the first time, just turn on the notification bell. You can go ahead and subscribe so that you always be notified whenever I go live here to trade with you guys. So for the everyday trading is with the VIP members, not here. So, but every Tuesday, I always go live here to share my setups, what I'm looking out for, how I literally trade. So before we go straight into the charts, let's do a quick intro so that we can just get to know each other. Like I stated, I'm Happiness Hanson here. So you can also go ahead and state your name and where you're joining me from in the comments. You can also go ahead and state your name and where you're joining me from. I can see all the pairs dropping. So currently we're looking at US 30. So that is what we're going to start with today. So before I go into, analyzing the chart, you can go ahead and state your name and where you're joining me from. Yeah, you can see you're welcome. So let's keep the introduction ongoing. And you can also inform your friends that we're live. Your friend that is looking to understand forex trading literally, you can inform them because here I dish out, free tips that will help you become profitable. That's all you need to understand. So with what I dish out here for free, if you're taking it seriously, you can actually, know your left and right in the market and even become profitable. The only thing is just that the joining the VIP group can, make it faster than when you are just, doing it all alone. But what I'm dishing out here for free, if you are consistently practicing, you can become profitable with it. So if there's any of your friends that is looking to learn this, you can go ahead and invite them to always join this free live trading section. So we're going to go straight to US 30 because that is what we're looking at. And also, if you're joining for the first time and wondering, joining for the first time and wondering the strategy I trade. So I'm trying to fix this well. Okay. And you're wondering the strategy I trade. What I trade is smart money concepts. That is what I do. That is what I stick to. That is what I use to make money. And that is what I will always dish out here to help everyone understand trading and make it simple for yourself. Because obviously trading is not easy. It's not simple. So you just need to find a way to make it easy and simple for yourself. So before I start trading, I take my entries from 15 minutes time frame. I always say this because I get the question a lot, where do you take your entries from? I take my entries from 15 minutes time frame. But before I go down to 15 minutes time frame to take my entries, what I do is I'll have to do my top-down analysis to know the general trend of the market. So currently we're looking at US 30. US 30 traders, are you here? Let me open my comment. So US 30 traders, are you here? If you're here, say yes in the comment. If you trade US 30, say yes in the comments. If you trade US 30, say yes in the comments. For those saying that my chart is not clear, the resolution of this particular live section, I did this one myself because I increased the resolution to 180 stuff. So it should be very clear. And I'm also watching from my phone here, so it's very clear. So if it's not clear from your own end, it may be your network. Okay, we have a lot of US 30 traders today. So let's go ahead and analyze. So from what we have here, just because I know that this section, both the beginners and advanced, they are here. So it's literally friendly for all, whether you are an advanced trader or a beginner trader. So what we're going to do first is to read the market structure. So it's very simple. So I'm doing this not just for you to come and catch signals, but obviously you need to join this live section with your live account, because if we catch trade, we're not going to waste time. We'll place it together, make money together, or lose money together. So that is what we literally do here. We trade fearlessly. So if you're still scared, you can just leave the section now or watch us make money. So what we're going to do first is to read the market structure. So as a beginner, what you need to be doing now is watch how I'm going to do this so that you will understand how to read the market structure, because once you get how to read the market structure, catching your entries and knowing the buyers to take from the market will not be difficult. So looking at US 30, we're going to start from here to read the market structure to where it is. Mainly looking at it, you will know that we are bullish, that it's trending to the upside. So, but we're going to make it very clear so that everyone will understand. So we have break of structure here to the upside, another break of structure here to the upside, and we also have another break of structure here. We have another break of structure here to the upside and this here. Okay, so looking at how market is breaking structure to the upside, like I stated, it is indicating that we are bullish. Now, looking at this particular break of structure, you can see price tapped into the origin, dished out another break of structure. Here, price tapped into an imbalance, FVG. Price tapped into an imbalance. So let's go to the most recent break of structure from the daily time frame. So from the daily time frame, if we are mapping out the origin, we have this one here. So this is the daily time frame origin. So if you are looking to take entries from the daily time frame, let's say you are a swinger and you're looking to take entries from the daily time frame, this is where you'll be waiting for it. Now let's move down to 4 hours to check the structure we have from 4-hour time frame. So this is the origin we got from the daily time frame. What we're going to do now is to refine it to that of 4 hours and wait for it. So this is, kind of the extreme level where we'll be looking to take a buy, the origin from the daily time frame. But for now, it will be pending because from 4 hours, we are noticing new structures and new origins. Why this one is pending? Whenever price gets here, we'll be looking to buy US 30 immediately. But for now, we have recent structures that we should also pay attention to from 4 hours. So just having in mind that any time frame you go to, also try to read the structure going on there so that you won't miss out on good trades. So looking at this, if we want to stick to the higher time frame origin, it will be this one that we mapped out. But for now, you can see where the market is reacting to. So if we want to take entries from 4-hour origin, this is also an origin which is pending. It's also pending. But this is the closest. This is the most recent origin that caused a break of structure. So which is this level? We'll be looking to buy once price gets here. Let's also view from 2 hours. So what we are doing now, if you're just joining, what we are doing now is a top-down analysis on US 30. So viewing it from 2 hours, this is also it's aligning with that of 4 hours. So we'll be waiting for price to get here. Have it in mind that this particular origin it's pending. So if this one fails, it's going to become liquidity for this one. So for this particular origin we are waiting for, you can see this is the liquidity price. Price has cleared it already, so we just need to like patiently wait for market to tap in here. Let's also view from 1 hour. So from 1 hour, it's also aligning with that of 2 hours. Let's view from 30 minutes. So 30 minutes, we'll refine it to 30 minutes order block, which is what we have here. This one. And then 15 minutes, our entry time frame. So for 15 minutes, our entry time frame, it's aligning with that of 30 minutes. So this is the setup. The first setup we'll have on US 30. We'll be looking out for a buy here. So for those that are wondering, should we take a confirmation entry or aggressive entry? It's left for you to decide. But for me, I'll be taking an aggressive entry here because I've refined the origin to my entry time frame. So I'm gonna be taking an aggressive entry here. So let's move down to 30 minutes so that I can position the SL well. All right, so if we are targeting our take profit, it's going to be from the point of reversal. So we're targeting 549 pips on this one. And have it in mind that US 30 is volatile too for the US 30 traders. So this particular trade will have stop loss of 116 pips to catch 549 pips. So that's like 1:5 risk to reward ratio. So it's a good trade for us to take. It's a good trade for us. So market is very close to our origin. What I'll be doing now, I'm gonna write out the coordinates. If you want to take an aggressive entry, so just put your pending order. If you trade US 30, if you don't trade US 30, you wait until we look at your own pair and then we can do our analysis. But for now, for aggressive entry traders, if you want to take an aggressive entry, it's a buy limit on US 30. So you can just go ahead and place your pending order. I'm going to write out the coordinates. Then if you want to wait for confirmation, just keep watching until price taps into this level, because as price is tapping into this level, it's breaking structure to the downside. You'll have to wait until price clears the last origin that caused the break of structure to the downside. So after that, you will now wait for possible retracement into the origin that has caused change of character, and then you push up. But for me, I've gotten my entry from 15 minutes, so it's going to be a clean buy for me, an aggressive entry. So for the US 30, we have, let's see how this trade is going to go. We have every reason to buy, so there's no panic. So it's a buy limit on US 30. Entry price is at 42761. US 30 traders, do you have same setup with me? If you've analyzed your pair today, do you have same setup with me? Do you have same setup with me? For those that have done their own analysis, TP 43310.66. And if you also have any question concerning this setup, you can let me know in the comments because I'm looking at the comments. SL, like I stated, SL is 116 pips. 42644.94. So why I'm calling out the SL is for you to know the amount of risk to apply on this particular trade so that you won't over leverage. Let me also put this disclaimer for you to apply proper risk management. All right, guys, so this is the setup we have on US 30. You can go ahead and place your pending order. We have every reason to like buy once price gets here. So I'm also going to put an alert here so that once price get there, we'll be notified. So the alert will be here for those that would want to like take entry, like confirmation entry. You can see market is very close and it's coming in, gently. So we have every reason to buy here. Don't miss out on this particular buy. US 30 traders, don't miss out. Okay, thank you, Daniel, for dropping the coordinates in the comments. Okay, let's look at XAUSD. Gold traders, are you here? If you trade gold, say yes in the comments. If you trade XAUSD gold, say yes in the comments. For the guy dropping AUD USD, don't worry, I will analyze. Just calm down. Okay, gold traders are in the house. Interesting. Interesting. All right. So we're going to start just like we did on US 30 to read the market structure, then we'll know the next line of action to take. So we can see what we did from US 30. I'm doing it, very simple, making everything clean. You can see how we read the market structure, pointing it out that the market is bullish and we got a setup aligning with a trend. So that's why we're waiting for that particular buy. We have every reason to buy US 30 at that point. So we're going to do same on gold. So I'm going to start here to analyze XAUSD to the current market price. Looking at it, everything is screaming bullish. But why I take my time to like read the market structure, which will also help you, and I advise you to apply it, is when you read the market structure, you will get to know the origin you'll be taking your trades from and where the market is reacting. Because by looking at it, or maybe if you pick your trend line and just place it like this, you may not know where you'll be taking trades from. So that's why you need to like read the structure to understand origins price has mitigated and the one's price is yet to mitigate. So we also have another breakout structure here. And another breakout structure here. So we are doing our top-down analysis, trying to read the market structure from the higher time frame, which is the daily time frame. So we have a breakout structure here, and the last breakout structure here. So which indicates that everything here is bullish. Everything here is bullish. Checking out the origin price has mitigated. So from here, price mitigated this one, dishing out a new break of structure. We have another origin price mitigated here. And for this part, price mitigated the imbalance. And same thing is applicable here, price mitigated the imbalance. And now looking at the most recent break of structure, if we are looking to take entries, we'll be considering this level. If we're looking to take entries from the daily time frame, we'll be considering this level. But now, since we don't take entries from the daily time frame, let's go down to 4 hours and know the next line of action. Gold is just rallying up, like pushing up without even looking back. So we still have this level as the extreme level. So once price gets here, we'll be looking to buy, but price is far away from there now, so we're going to leave it pending and watch the most recent level. So from 4 hours, you can see we got this break of structure, and inside here we're still getting more structures. So this level here, there's a break of structure around that level. So we're going to go to 2 hours to get it clearly. So this level, after this consolidation, there's a break here. And mapping out the origin. So price has already mitigated and it's pushing up. Let's view from 1 hour. So from 1 hour, if we are refining it, it's going to be around this level. So we're just going to leave it at around that 2 hours. So price has mitigated this origin from the higher time frame. So the next line of action on gold, so you can see where price mitigated is actually the 2 hours, because if we are refining it to 15 minutes order block, it will be here. And you can see market didn't get there. Instead, it reacted off this level. That is, this will be here. I know another question may be, if price should get here, should we still consider this a valid order block? Of course, because it's not yet mitigated, so it's still a valid order block from 15 minutes. So we're going to leave it pending and watch what gold is doing now. So this buy has played out on gold. The next line of action is to check, because once market taps into an origin, the next line of action is to check and wait for price to give us a new break of structure. So once there's a new break of structure, we'll reposition to know if the market is still bullish or bearish. So if price should get to this resistance level and fails to break it, then we'll be looking to catch a correctional movement from here. We'll be looking to catch a correctional movement from here. So we're going to wait. Well, if we get a break of structure to the upside, we'll know that the market is still bullish, and we'll look out for the most recent origin to buy gold. So for now, this particular buy has played out, and I believe most people were able to catch it. So like I said, I didn't trade yesterday, so I'm not on any trade apart from the US30 that we have pending. So we're gonna wait. Any other setup dropping on gold, I'll drop that in the group chat. So just await the next setup on gold. For now, there's no reason to sell, there's no reason to buy, because the movement that is currently happening is actually the movement that this demand zone is pushing up. So like I stated, once we get a break of structure, we'll look out for the origin that caused the break of structure and buy from there. Now, if price fails to like break this resistance level, then we can be catching a correctional movement from this particular level. So for now, there is no setup on gold, so we're just gonna wait until there is something. We're gonna look at BTC. So gold traders, you just need to like calm down. But if you are holding that particular buy that is happening now, just take profit once price gets to that resistance level. BTC traders, are you here? BTC traders, are you here? Are you in the house? So wondering the pairs I trade, for me, it's gold, BTC, and GJ. So BTC traders, are you in the house? Okay. BTC traders, they're active. Okay, so looking at BTC from the daily time frame, we're just gonna read the structure from what is happening here to the current market price. So viewing that after we got a change of character inside here, for those wondering why I call this a change of character, you can see this is the last break of structure to the downside and price clearing out the origin. We got a change of character, market tapping into the origin that caused the change of character to push the market up. Then we have internal break of structure here, and price tapping into the origin that caused the internal break of structure to push up further. And now we also have this break of structure here. Generally, you can see price coming back to tapping. And we have another break of structure. So that simply means BTC is bullish here. So if we're looking to like wait for, where to buy from, we can wait for BTC around $61,000. Around here from the daily time frame, we can wait for it here. And currently it is reacting to this resistance level. So this resistance level is going to dish out a sell, the correctional movement we're looking out for. So we can be catching, let's go to 4 hours before we know the next line of action. So like I said, that we'll be waiting for BTC to drop here. Refining it to 4 hours is going to be this particular order block here. We'll be waiting for BTC here. And now reading the internal structures of 4 hours, we can also see that we have this internal break of structure here to the upside. So we're going to leave this as pending, waiting for price to mitigate. All these ones has been mitigated. So let me clear them so that we can just have the one that is yet to be mitigated. So this level, that is BTC around $60,000. Once price gets there, we'll be buying. But what we should be looking at for now is this sell that is happening from this resistance level, because you can see where the key level is coming from. So this sell that is happening, we need to catch together. So looking at this internal break of structure, that simply means that this origin is also valid for us to take a buy from. So let's go down to 2 hours. So from 2 hours, we also have something aligning with that of 4 hours. So we're just going to leave this origin pending and this particular origin pending. Now, if we want to catch this sell on BTC, if you're not in yet, we have this origin. We need price to we need market to break this origin to give us a change of character, because we are taking confirmation entry as price is reacting off a resistance level, because this is the last break of structure here. So we need a change of character around this level. We need a change of character here on BTC. Viewing from 30 minutes. You can see this is actually the origin that is fighting the market from pushing up further, because you can see that origin caused, a break of structure. That is this origin price is currently reacting to. So there's possibility that it can still push, the market up. So, but if it breaks, we're going to get a change of character there. You can see it was just a weak rejection, so there's no change of character yet. Why I'm looking for change of character is because market is reacting off resistance level from the higher time frame. So from 30 minutes, if you want to catch a buy, this is also a good level to catch a buy on BTC, this particular level. And this will now serve as liquidity. So I guess that's the one I should be looking out for more, and not even the sell, because this sell is dishing out a correctional movement. Let's view from 30 minutes. So since the higher time frame has stated that the market is bullish, I think we should just align with the bullish trend. So guys, we'll be waiting for a buy on BTC around this level. BTC traders do have same buy set up with me. Our SL is going to be a little bit below this last week rejection here. And we'll take profit here. So we'll be waiting for a buy on BTC. We have a setup on BTC. So SL is going to be 90 pips to catch 398 pips. So that's going to be approximately 1:52. BTC traders, are you here? Do you have same setup? So we have a buy limit on BTC. BTC traders, are we on the same track? Entry price will be 65504.43, and then take profit is at 69490.68. SL is at 64613.39. Someone is shouting stop loss 90 pips. Yes, that's BTC. It's very volatile, so don't expect to see stop loss 20 pips or 17 pips. If you want to catch that type of, maybe you can go and scalp it from 1 minute time frame. But when it comes to trading BTC from 15 minutes, 1 hour, and the rest, just expect stop loss to be around 150, and so on. So we're waiting for this particular buy. Okay, I can see some getting some analysis with me. So we're waiting for this particular buy. If we had seen BTC when it was reacting to this resistance level, we would have been catching this correctional movement. But since we're not there, we're gonna wait for it here, guys. Apply proper risk management. SL 90 pips away, TP 398 pips. Someone is asking, what if the BTC should hit SL? We'll reposition for another one now. Remember, we also have another origin here. So if this one doesn't hold, then we'll know that it is coming to this level. So this one is still pending here. So we're going to wait for BTC here, guys. So we have a pending order buy limit on BTC. So is the coordinates in the comments already? Someone said account will blow. If it blows, you fund another one now. You don't know. You don't know what to do if account blows. Okay. So for the BTC traders, you can go ahead and take a screenshot because I want us to look at GJ. Someone is saying wrong coordinates on US 30. Is it from my own end? US 30, we're about to get triggered, guys. Hope you have your pending order intact. About to get triggered. So if you got the wrong coordinates from the comment section on US 30, you can also take a screenshot now and apply the right one. Okay, let's look at GJ. So we're going to start from the higher time frame. GBP JPY traders, say hello in the comments. GBP JPY traders, say hello. Now, it's very simple. It's not compulsory unless you have big accounts that will, take every setup I'm dropping here. So if you know that you just trade one, let's say you trade just US 30, then just place the US 30 trade. And if you trade, we've looked at gold, there is no setup on gold yet. If you trade BTC and US 30, then you divide your lot size, accurately. Let's say if you risk 1% on each trade, then you can give US 30 0.5 and give BTC 0.5. And if you also trade, just pick your favorite pair. If I've done any setup on your favorite pair, you pick it and then, place your trade. So I can see the GBP JPY traders. Nice, nice, nice. I trade GBP JPY too. So let's look at, so remember, GBP JPY has been bullish because it has been trading above this particular origin after we got this break of structure to the upside. After we got this break of structure to the upside. So let's read the most recent origin, which is this level. This is the most recent structure. Now, viewing from 4 hours so that we can understand what is going on here. So from 4 hours, the break of structure, market reacting off this particular origin to push up. And now we have internal break of structure here. We have internal break of structure here. Origin price didn't get that close. Another break of structure here. And price reacted off imbalance. Now we have another break here. Market has mitigated the origin. We have a new break of structure here. origin mitigated. And now the most recent break of structure is this one here. I see the question, someone is saying, I find it difficult to map out my origin. If you've been watching closely, I guess you must have pointed out, how to do that, but I will explain during question and answer section. For now, we're looking for how to make money off the charts so that setups will not leave us alone. Okay, so this being the most recent origin, let me remove all those price as mitigated, which is this level. So I'm going to pull this out. So from 2 hours, we have this origin. Once price gets here, we'll be looking to buy. So yesterday I had this particular origin here, but you can see price got very close and from there it pushed up. Some were able to catch it, but mine didn't trigger. So this is more like the most recent origin. And looking at it from 1 hour, we're waiting for it here, guys. We're waiting for GJ here. Now, looking at the internal structures, we have a break of structure here. We have a break of structure here, which price may come to react to, but that would be an inducement level for us because it's the liquidity price we'll have to sweep to tap in. So this is more like a trend line liquidity. That's what is showing up here. It's more like a trend line liquidity because for the trend line traders, they'll be waiting for price to come and drop here to keep pushing it up. So they're waiting for price to clear the liquidity there to come and tap in here, then we'll move. So this is going to be our trend line liquidity here. So that's why I will not be taking a buy from here because there's a trend line then. So there's liquidity and this is imbalance that is very close to our origin. So GJ traders, we have something cooking. So for this particular trade, our stop loss is going to be around 35 pips to catch 170 pips. That is 1:5 risk to reward ratio 2. This level is looking like what will keep pushing GJ up because it's given, break and retest. But we're going to stick to the strategy. So that is how I trade without stress because I know my movement, and once I see that, I don't hesitate. So if my movement is not there, I don't waste my time to come and start forcing things out. So like I stated, trading comes with a lot of stress and the rest. So you just need to learn how to figure your own out. Some people may be seeing this. And they will just want to jump in just because they are seeing the reaction. But following our strategy, this is the right point to wait for GJ to buy. If it doesn't get here and keeps pushing up, it will give us a new structure and we'll still read the structure and also know when to align. So let's patiently wait for GJ to get here. So this is it from 15 minutes time frame, aligning with what we have from 30 minutes. So GBP, JPY traders, do you have something with me? Do you have same setup with me? So it's also going to be a pending order, buy limit. Buy limit on GBP JPY. Entry price 194.782. Take profit 196.520, and stop loss 194.428. So that's the coordinates we have on. Someone is asking the entry is from 30 minutes, right? Yes, yes, yes. That's where the entry is from. So we're just going to patiently wait for price to get here. And then we can also catch the correctional movement. If market should break this, this level here, this consolidation that is going on here, if we should get a break, that is a change of character. Any retracement will sell, take some profit here, because this is also an origin. Although we are seeing it as liquidity, we expect price to sweep because we should, sell to buy. But so we're also going to have this level in mind. You can put your alerts. Once price breaks this level, the correctional movement is going down. We'll be so sure that price is coming to our origin. So I'll be waiting for a change of character around that level. But if it's to buy from here, no, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. So I'm waiting for price to break this level. But if it continues to push up, we'll read the new structure from there. Okay, so that's the setup I have on GBP JPY. Don't forget to apply proper risk management. The stop loss is 35 pips away. Take profit 173. It's a buy limit, so we're not triggered yet, so everyone can. You have time to enter and also go to your own chart for confirmation. Okay, let's look at GBP USD. Okay, AUD USD, because I've been seeing that on the chart. We'll look at AUD USD, then after that we'll go to GBP USD. Okay, so for AUD USD, from daily time frame, we have this breakout structure here. We have another breakout structure here. Then I see this origin, which is where price is reacting to. So let's go down to 4 hours. So looking at it from 4 hours, refining it, so price has mitigated it. So we need to as price has mitigated the higher time frame, we need to look for confirmation to get in. Looking at it from 2 hours, still aligning. 1 hour aligning to. So let's look at 30 minutes. Okay, from 30 minutes, we've gotten the buy we need. Now, what else do we need to enter this particular trade? Let's read from 15 minutes. Okay. So this is what we need. As price has mitigated, it has dished out the buy. Let's know how many pips. That's 38 pips. And now if you check, this is, we're about to take confirmation entry, guys. So this is the last breakout structure to the downside. This is the last break of structure to the downside. Yeah, the market is bullish, but you can see this is the origin that caused the break of structure. So there should be a possible sell from this level. So this one is going to be an instant execution. Stop loss is going to be around 12 pips. Although market has gone far, so if we are taking entry from there now, stop loss is going to be around 21 pips, because the right points to take entry from should be from here. And now we also have this demand zone here. We have this demand zone here, which is where we'll be taking our profit. So I'm checking the trade if it's a good one for us to catch. Okay, it's not a good one because stop loss, this is just a quick scalp, and I don't like taking this type of trade. Unless you just want to like scalp, because this is just 1:1 risk to reward ratio. Stop loss 21 pips, take profit 25 pips. Take profit 25 pips. So this is just a quick 1:1 risk to reward ratio. If you want to catch the correctional movement, or the right point to have taken this trade will be from here. That's right entry, then take profit here. So you can get in on a sell on AUD USD. So it's just going to be a quick scalp. You'll take profit around this level. So this is a quick sell on AUD USD to take profit around this demand. And then as far as I stepped into this demand zone, if we get a break of this level too, you know what that means? That is a change of character, and the market coming into the origin that caused the change of character will keep pushing up. So, but for now, the momentum is screaming sell. So for the AUD USD traders, if you're on this sell, keep holding. If you're not in, you can still go in. It's not too late. A quick sell on AUD USD. If you don't want to sell, you can wait for it here. But for now, a quick sell on AUD USD. So let me write it. Sell now. So this is not a pending order. This is an instant execution. Sell now on AUD USD. AUD USD at the current market price. So I'm going to put just current market price. Sell now at the current market price. Then SL should be around 0.6. 0.6700. Take profit around 0.6654. So sell now on AUD USD. Apply proper risk management. A quick sell now on AUD USD as we're waiting for it here. Another thing we can also wait for, so kind of, if we succeed in selling AUD USD and we get here, we can take profit here and buy again. But if that doesn't happen and maybe price hits our SL, that simply means we've gotten a change of character and we can now wait for price to come into the origin that caused change of character, and then we'll buy to take profit around this level. So, but for now, what we need to be doing now is a sell. So a sell on AUD. Someone is saying 90 pips SL is too much. I guess 90 pips SL is on BTC, not on AUD USD. Here, AUD USD is like 20 pips. 20 pips SL. So if that is too much for you, just having in mind that any amount of SL, you can still, even if you want to risk 1% of your account and SL is 500 pips, you can still apply proper risk management with that. I've explained that countless times. But if it's too much for you, it's very simple. You stay out of the trade. and wait for the one that aligns with the type of SL you need. Okay, so a quick sell on AUD USD while we're waiting for other setup. Okay, let's look at if you are in on this sell, let me know in the comments. If you are in on this AUD sell, let me know that I'm not alone. If you are in on this AUD USD sell, let me know in the comments. Let me know those that are in. If you are in, say yes in the comments. Okay, Daniel, I'm in. Okay. 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 Let's look at GBP USD. Okay, on GBP USD, we're going to read the market structure from the higher time frame. We have tunnel break of structure here. Another break of structure here. Another break of structure here. Okay, so if you can remember last week, we were expecting price to react off this particular origin, but you can see market is breaking it, which simply means we should be waiting for it here then. We should be waiting for price to get here. So this particular movement must have changed the trend to bearish on the lower time frame. So we're going to keep doing our top-down analysis until we get there. So from the daily time frame, if we're looking to buy, it's here. Nowhere around. We should just be selling until we get here. So let's view from the 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour time frame aligning with the daily time frame, we should just refine, which is this level. Okay, from the 2 hours. So 2 hours reading the bearish structure we have this break of structure here to the downside. And this being the origin, price mitigated. Price has mitigated this one. So we expect this particular origin that price has mitigated to give us a new break of structure. Once we get that, we are entering a sell again. Viewing from 1 hour, we need a new break of structure because price has mitigated this one. And this is a clean sell setup. A clean sell of take profit of 91 pips. So now we need a new break of structure from there for us to get in to align with the bearish structure. Okay, so you can see price is still reacting around the support. We've not gotten a new break of structure support level. We need a new break of structure to get in. The only thing we have now is just an internal break of structure, which is here. Internal break of structure, did price tap in? So price reacted off the imbalance there. Okay, so for imbalance entry model, so price has reacted off the imbalance, dishing out the sell. So we need a general break of the structure. Once we get this break of structure, the origin will get in. So if you're thinking of buying GBP USD, calm down. You need to calm down. Although from GPUSD, we also got this eternal break of structure here, price reacting off the origin. But the general trend is bearish. So if you're thinking of buying GPUSD, calm down, calm down. So for now, there's nothing on GPUSD. We would have been catching this sell, but it's gone already. So we'll just have to wait. If there's any other thing, I will update the group later in the day. Okay? So it's very simple. If I have not been able to like do your own analysis, you can. I always love it when you are doing the analysis and sending to me so that I will not just because I want you to learn too. So you know the drill. I'll be dropping the link here in the comments, so you can just go ahead and message me with your own setup. If I didn't, analyze yours, all you just need to do is follow the step I used in analyzing most of the pairs we looked at. You can now message me with your own setup. If it's right, I can tell you to go ahead with your trade. You can put your pending order or instant execution. If it's wrong, I'll still, point that out for you. So for now, I'll just be looking at the comments to like answer a few questions, and that will be all for today. So if you have any question, you can start dropping in the comments. If you have any question, you can start dropping in the comments. Okay, so if you do your analysis, there's a link in the comments. There's a link in the comments. So from that link, you can also, be able to join the Telegram group, that is the public group. And if you also want to get access to the VIP group, you can also do that from the link. So you can just visit the website and pick any package of your choice. You pick any package of your choice and go ahead and make payments. So for my VIP group, if you want to join, we have 3 packages. That is the monthly package, which is just $50, the yearly package, which is $200, and the lifetime package, which is $500. So you can just click, or you can see message for VIP. You can just message me there. So the link is dropping again. Okay, so I'll be looking at the comments now to like answer some questions. If you have any questions, this is the right time to drop. If you have any question, this is the right time to drop. So if you've dropped question earlier, you can go ahead and drop now. Someone is asking for WhatsApp group. Please, I do not have any WhatsApp group, but if you want to join my public group, link is in the comments. I only have Telegram groups. Okay, we have a question from Samuel Opara. What does buy stop and sell stop means? Okay, so let's go to the chat to answer that. So I guess for you to ask of buy stop and sell stop, you already know what limits, the limit orders are used for. Then you're wondering what buy stop and sell stop is used for. Now, when it comes to buy stop and sell stop, if we are talking about buy stop, that simply means you want to buy above market price. And mainly, the strategy that, suits that particular, way of setup is breakout strategy. So let's say you want, just like we are having this sell on GBP USD here, and you want to sell, but you don't want to get in here because you are seeing a support. You want to get in once price, breaks this particular support. Then you will now place an order there, waiting for price to break the support, trigger it, and if it keeps pushing down, then you will be in profit. So what you have to set for that one, it will be sell stop. So sell stop simply means selling below market price. Placing your order below market. You can see the current market price is here. So sell stop simply means selling below market price. And buy stop simply means buying above market price. Sell stop, selling below market price. Buy stop, buying above market price. So you can see where the current market price is at. You want to buy, but not from here. You want price to get here first before you buy. So that is buy stop and sell stop. Hope that's clear. Okay, WhatsApp group, please. So like I stated, I don't have any WhatsApp group. So if you are in any group that is, pretending to be me, because I know there's a group like that, I've gotten a lot of complaints, which I've also released disclaimer. I don't have any WhatsApp group, but all my groups are on Telegram, which I've dropped the link. I'm dropping the link again. I've dropped the link, so you can just click the link. If you want to join the VIP, you can get access to it from there. If you want to join the public group, you can get access to, it from there, and so on. So there is no WhatsApp group at all. So if you are in any WhatsApp group, just exit so that you won't be scammed. Okay, please, my looks. Okay, US. Okay, you can go ahead and show me what you are seeing on the USD card. Then you can send in the message. You can send in the setup. I will look at it and know if it aligns with the strategy and if it's a type of trade I would take. So a question, what are the characteristics of a good origin or POI? Okay, after this section, you'll have to go watch the video I uploaded explaining the strategy generally. But what I see as a good POI for me is once it has broken a structure. So if you check how we map out our setups, once there is a break of structure, the first thing you need to do is read the market structure so that you will know where you are directed at, so that you won't be going to the wrong direction. You read the market structure. Now, if you now get the most recent, let's say the market is pushing up. If you get the most recent break of structure, look out for the origin that caused that particular break of structure. Let's go to the charts. Let's use some of the trades we are waiting for. Something like the USD, the GBP JPY trade. So I'm going to use this trade now to give the illustration. Now, if you check, we read the market structure from the higher time frame on GBP JPY, and we noticed that the market is bullish. So what we did now is to come down to our entry time frame to look out for the most recent break of structure. Now, if you check, this generally caused this break of structure, this origin here, this consolidation here. It caused this break of structure. So all these ones, we are seeing them as liquidity inducement. It's trying to trick us into buying here instead of waiting for the extreme level. So you can see this consolidation generally is what we call origin. And you can see how I've mapped it out. I measured the last candlestick before the movement that caused the break of structure started. That's what I measured to outline it. So this is what we call POI. So once we get the POI simply means point of interest. Point of interest meaning where we will be looking to take trades from once market gets there. So you can see for buy limit means buying below market price. You can see the current market price is higher than where we're looking to buy. So we just want market to drop to this level, then we'll buy GBP, JPY. So you can see how I've mapped it out. And now when we're mapping out our POI, we should also point out liquidity zones sitting very close to our POI and imbalance. Now, if you check this level, this dollar sign you see here, I've mapped it out as liquidity. So we're expecting market to sweep all this level because this level, like I said, there is an inducement, which simply means it's trying to trick us into considering a buy here and also a buy here. Now, obviously, there are some traders that will be buying here and also here. So as you are putting the money there, there is liquidity. So I'm expecting market to clear everything, because your order, stop loss, everything here is money. So I'm expecting market to clear everything here, which will give it more momentum to tap in here before we push to the upside. So that is why we're not looking to buy here and here. So it serves as liquidity. And then you can see FVG, which is the gap market creates, price creates on the chart. So we can see this one very close to our origin. So once I see all these things intact, I have every reason to like take that particular trade, which is why we're waiting for this particular setup on GBP, JPY. I believe that's clear. Okay, question from AGKM. How do you check lot size for US30? Okay, I believe you're asking how do I calculate pips on US30? How do I calculate the pips, number of pips, not lot size? Please let me know if that's what you're asking, please. Let me know if that's what you're asking. If it's how to like know the number of pips for US30, I think we have a setup on US30. Has it triggered, guys? Okay. Price is currently is reacting to the imbalance very close to our origin, but we'll wait for it to tap in. It will tap in, guys. Okay, how to know the number of pips? You can see as I placed this position tool from here, you don't need to look at the number at the center, just look at the number very close to target. You can see it is showing normally US30, if you're counting it correctly, it moves in points, not pips, because this and it's in the class of indices, so moves in points. But obviously, when you're trading it, you can still calculate it as pips so that you understand how much you're making and how much you're losing. So for targets, our take profit on this trade is around 549 pips, which is what you can see here. You can see 549.40. So that's just what you will look at, 549 pips. And then our stop loss is around 116 pips. So just look at the number after the target and after the stop to just know. So guys, the market is approaching our POI, smoothly. There is no room to like panic. If it's dropping with a high momentum, I would have asked us to like remove the pending order for now. But there's no reason to remove the pending order. It's just approaching as it should be. So we expect this level to hold. We have every reason to buy, guys. We have every reason to buy US30. Okay. Do you do copy trading? I guess you can be able to copy my trades once you are in my VIP group. So I literally trade with everyone there. But if it's copy trading, copying from my own account, once I place it to be placed in your own account, I guess that will start soon. But for now, it's not available. You refine your entries to 15 minutes time frame and take aggressive entry. Yes, my dear, that is what I do. There is no need for over analysis. It's just like you can see on the screen, this particular US30 trade is an aggressive entry. That's what we're waiting for there. Clean aggressive entry. Give a detailed explanation on momentum that will hold on POI. Use different charts also to do separate video to know when POI that needs aggressive entry. Okay. I guess I've explained that, while I was trying to like explain characteristics of POI. So Johnson DK, hope you were able to like get the answer to your question. And also, like I said, that more videos will be dropping my YouTube. Just that currently, I've been trying to like settle in my new home. So it has been a lot is going on. So that's why I can't like settle down and shoot a video and upload. But once I'm done, videos will be dropping back to back. But for now, it's a little bit on hold. More questions. Let me go to the last section. Okay. I'll just drop the link again. If you have any more question, you can just go ahead and ask me or send it in. Then if you want to join the VIP group, everything is there. So just read and know the one you want. So I'll go ahead and end the section. So let me know in the comments if you enjoyed the section and if you are learning a lot. Let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments if you enjoy. If you have any more questions, you can just send it in as a message. Because I'll go ahead and end this section. Okay. Hope you guys are learning a lot. Let me know. Let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments. So, like I stated, if you truly want to be profitable, it's very simple. What I'm dishing out here, it's enough for you to be profitable. Just keep practicing. Make sure you are following the right process. If you are still finding it difficult, you can always come back to these videos, watch, or like I said, that you can make it faster. You can make it faster for yourself by joining the VIP group so that you can get the answers you need immediately. And then if you don't have money to join the VIP group, fine. So you can just stick to the free classes here and keep, practicing. So thanks for joining, guys. I'll be dropping the link. The link is also in the description. So you can visit our website to pick any package for yourself to join the VIP group. You can join the public group and you can also message me with your setup. For now, bye guys. See you next Tuesday. We'll have our section again on Tuesday, 9 a.m. West African timing. Bye for now.